Top journalist collapses, dies in office. Sana pina mashu kabuda pana panyuko achinze senior news yana staffer Herbert Mutugwi has collapsed and died at work. You know, subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pana pa mzimba wano yachi pasa on Iowa now ziri very sadly zokuda njikwaskinzi. He was 58. Mutugwi, a prominent figure in Zimbabwean state media, collapsed and died at work on Monday. His sudden death has cast a pall over the media fraternity, with the colleagues mourning the loss of a seasoned journalist, mentor and friend. Though he had recently battled illness, Mutugwi had recovered and returned to duty, determined to continue serving the profession he had dedicated his life to. In a statement, the Zimbabwe Mass Media Trust, ZMMT, the apparent collapse of news yana expressed deep sorrow at the passing. With nearly 4 decades of journalistic service, Mutugwi was among the last of a rare generation of newsroom veterans, pillars of institutional memory and guidance in an evolving media landscape. He began his journalism journey in 1987 after graduating from Harare Polytechnic College with a diploma in mass communications. He joined the Chronicle newspaper as a cadet reporter and rose through the ranks to become assistant news editor by 1992, a position he held with distinction until 1997. That year, he assumed the role of news editor at the Manica Post, where he remained for 6 years, overseeing one of the most crucial editorial portfolios in the industry. In 2010, after leaving the newspaper group, Mutugwi joined a news yana and served as editor of the Nehanda Guardian in Mashonaland Central before being transferred to edit the Masvingo Star, a flagship publication in the news yana stable. Thomas Kwanubuda panapa anosirisa at the passing on at the long-lasting journalist. Tudze mafunguro enyi motudipa msiro pechitwa ichipina comment section edu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.